What's going on, guys? Nick, and today we're gonna be it's just gonna be a really quick video. I'm gonna tell you guys about taxes and sales tax and income tax, whatever, LLCs, when to do that, when you need to do that for dropshipping business, POD business, whatever. Okay. So you probably have been searching for this video for a while. You watched a few videos but you're not too sure what to do. So here's what you do. Okay. All right. Now I see a lot of people saying that you need a certain amount of sales. So you need to have a certain amount of sales to, you know, file an LLC, which is not true. You can file an LLC at the start of your business, or you can wait until when it gets a little bit risky, okay? So it all depends. You can file an LLC at the start of your business, okay, when you start, and you can also file a business LLC when the time comes. And for me, when the time comes, I've always said consistent 5K a month. So unless you're making less than consistent 5K a month, I would not worry too much about the taxes. But to be honest, I think it would be very safer for you if you just file an LLC before all of this. If you want to do that, you can do that. If you're making at least $200 every single day, or maybe $180 around that mark, then you really want to get a lawyer. You want to really get an accountant. The accountant is going to do all the stuff for you. So as it's for me, I have, you know, right now I'm in India, so one of my stores are just working along that. So I've got an accountant who's managing all of this stuff for me, the LLC, the tax, whatever it is. And I've also got 2 US stores, and over there I pay US tax because that goes to my US bank account, right? So whatever country you're in, you have to pay that amount of income tax or whatever kind of tax there is, and you will need an LLC. Now, why do you need an LLC? What is an LLC? It's basically a limited liability company, and what that means is that if someone sues you, right, like let's say you sold some kind of, I don't know, you sold some kind of shirt, okay, you sold some kind of necklace, okay, and someone just, I don't know, tied that necklace around their neck and they choked and died, whatever, okay, if there's anything that happens with your products and people just, you know, let's say there's some kind of phone case and they got into a car accident because of it, that's just very random. But if someone sues you for whatever dumb reason, what happens is that they have the ability to fuck you up absolutely. Now, what do I mean by that? So if someone here is like really mad at you for some reason, and then they sue you, they're like, hey, I'm gonna sue you, and then you have there's little you doing your business, and this is your Shopify store making some money, right? So what's gonna happen is they're gonna be able to take everything from your store, whatever the money there is, they'll be able to take that to, you know, repair the damages of whatever happened, and they will be able to take your personal stuff like your financial belongings, like your car, your house, all that's going to be threatened. So the LLC basically creates a layer between these, so they cannot attack you and your car and your house and anything else. So this is the very important part why you want to have an LLC, and only the point when you start making consistent $100, $200 in sales is when you really need an LLC. Otherwise, you might get away with it, but then again, I didn't say that, right? I am in no sense a lawyer or anything like that. I just know about this because I'm running my own business, and you know, I had to go all through this procedure, and that's that. But you guys want to make sure that you have an LLC once the time comes, and you can even have an LLC from the start. Like if you're making a little bit of money, you've made $1,000 in your first month, or as soon as you hit some pay dirt, you can file an LLC just for your safety. Because guys, once you have a lawyer, once you have an accountant, and everything is fine, then you will never have to worry about anything again, because you can just give one call to your lawyer or accountant and it's gonna be all fine. So you'll have a sense of safety like I've had since I've got a lawyer and since I've got an accountant. So that's a very important thing. At least the LLC, you must have that when the time comes. And for your own safety, I would say you can even get it before $100 in sales, but really before that no one really cares, but you can still get sued. So yeah. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you found some value in this, make sure you leave a I said that way too fast. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you found some value in this video, make sure you leave a like, and make sure you guys subscribe, because we're just blowing up, and we just hit about 800 subscribers today. Thanks a lot for 800. We started this channel like 2 months ago, and we're already about 1K. It's just been crazy, this ride. And there's gonna be so much stuff coming on the way, guys. It's just amazing. If you have any comments or suggestions about the next video or questions, leave them down below. I normally make my videos based on comment suggestions, so if you have any suggestions for comment videos, just let me know right now. And I'll see you guys later then. Peace out, guys.